Hello, my name is Scott Havelsrud. I'm the Sales and Product Manager for X-Copter. We make a Robinson helicopter simulator called the XC-300R. We believe it is the finest procedural and operational training device you can purchase today. We're doing a series of videos that will show you how the X-Copter will help you train your students to perform procedures as well as aircraft operations. We believe that training with X-Copter will enhance your ability to recruit, retain, and reward your students by accelerating their flight training. The X-Copter XC-300R simulator is a complete cockpit and frame. We built the system this way as we believe the closer to the real aircraft we can get, the more realistic the student will feel when they're operating it. The X-Copter is built in three pieces: skid, frame, and shroud. This allows us to bring the X-Copter through a 36-inch door so you can set it up any place you need. The visual system is made up of 3 screens, each 60 inches. The screens are mounted to self-supporting steel stands that are placed 6 inches from the front nose of the aircraft. Attached to the display stands are JBL Pro Audio quality speakers. We believe that having a quality audio system in the simulator further facilitates the immersion process that makes the X-Copter so realistic to fly. To make the system even more realistic, we have a special ultra-low frequency speaker beneath the pilot seat that provides something called haptic feedback. This gives the pilots some pretty intense vibrations whenever doing a run-on landing. The X-Copter has 2 seats, pilot and trainer, so you can operate as you do in a real aircraft as the student and CFI. The cyclic control is in the exact same form of the Robinson. It has all the buttons and switches you'd see on a real Robinson cyclic. The collective has a throttle as well as governor switch and restart button. In addition, there's a friction control just like the real aircraft. Both student and instructor seats have anti-torque pedals, with the pilot's pedal being adjustable. Once again, by having dual sets of control, the trainer can be sitting with the student and do takeover at any time and demonstrate to the student the training maneuver just like they would in the real aircraft. We've chosen to display the instruments and avionics on touchscreen displays. We've done this for 3 reasons. First, the reliability of touchscreens is much higher than those of available simulated instruments. Second, the cost of implementing instruments and software is much less than using the real thing. And third, we can change the model of the aircraft from an R22 to an R44 or to an R44 with a G500 multifunction display. Using the touchscreen takes a little more getting used to, but we found that if you can use the touchscreen, transitioning into the real cockpit with actual knobs and switches is a piece of cake. Located on the center strut, we placed a compass and multifunction display. Located on the compass is a very important button. It's called the pause button. This allows the CFI to quickly reach up, stop the simulator, give instruction to the student, and then start the simulation back up again in short order. The system also contains a router that allows for simple integration of an electronic flight bag such as ForeFlight. This gives your students the ability to train in the simulator environment on their electronic flight bag. The instructor station is an iPad. This allows the CFI to change the weather and flight characteristics in real time without stopping the simulation. We created a computer case that is maximized for airflow to keep components cool, which results in a long-lasting, reliable system. Thank you for watching this video. Our goal is to produce these videos to show you how to maximize the features of the X-Copter in your flight training.